All right, let's talk about how you can copy or move formulas without changing cell references in Excel. So we have a pretty simple example here today. We have the name of different sales reps and the amount of sales they did each month for a particular quarter. So we have quarter 1 data here and quarter 2 data here with their totals for that quarter totaled here at the end. So basically, right here, we have the name of each sales rep, and we just want to know the quarter 1 totals and the quarter 2 totals. The totals in each column are added up with the sum function within Excel. So it's just summing each one of these with a formula here. And we want to copy that exact formula and paste it here. So essentially, we want to take all these numbers and put them here, but we want to keep the formula rather than just copy and pasting that number. So if these numbers change, this will automatically update as well. So one thing you'll notice, if I click on this, if I select all these cells and I hit Control C to copy and Control V to paste, you'll notice that that formula didn't copy exactly how it's indicated here. We'll notice that it'll have a hashtag reference because it's not sure which cells we're trying to reference here. So I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you can avoid that issue so that you can copy the formulas without changing the cell references. Simply select the cell where the formula is indicated. And what you're going to need to do is up here in this display box, you're going to need to select that formula and hit Control C. Then hit Enter. Now, when I select this cell and hit Control V, that exact formula is going to copy. And then I can double click this square in the bottom right corner and that formula is going to copy all the way down. Now the second way to do this is effective if you're trying to select a large amount of formulas all at the same time. Because obviously if we copied all of these formulas and pasted them here, our formula isn't going to be where we want it to be. So what we can do is select the cells we're looking to copy formulas for. Go up to the Home ribbon, go over to Find and Select, and then select Replace. So what we're going to want to do is you'll notice that what's indicated in each cell is the equal sum with a range of cells. What we're going to want to find is the equal sign and replace all of that with a hashtag. And then we'll go ahead and hit Replace All. We can close out of that. Now Excel is giving us this since it replaced all the equal signs with a hashtag. And what we can do is copy these formulas, paste them in the new location, and then we'll select all the cells that we copied and pasted, go back to Find Special, Replace, and we're just going to reverse this so all the hashtags will then be equal signs. Go ahead and hit Replace All, OK, and close, and you'll notice that those formulas copied exactly once we replace the hashtags with equal signs. So there you have it. Those are kind of 2 simple ways on how you can copy formulas without changing the cell references in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.